Hey, what's up? You're looking at the Rambler, Oklahoma Joe's. Got it fired up, 400 on the dial, getting ready for some burgers. Simple burgers here. I got some 90-10 ground beef from the local grocery store. Usually I do 80-20, but this is what they had and it looked good. I used this original no salt, right? All-purpose rub that my wife got me. Yeah, it actually tastes pretty good for having no salt at all, but just can't have no salt. So I seasoned them heavily to make up for that with this coarse sea salt. So that's what you're looking at there. Did the salt on one side, kind of patted it in a little bit with the spatula, just so when they flip it sticks. So anyways, that said, we're ready to do this. So got some what is it, that big block, the red lump charcoal going right there. My charcoal rack is at the lowest position. That's how I like to do it on the Rambler there. Cooks really nice that way. So that said, I'm just going to put these directly over and we'll get these things on. One pound of beef between the 3 patties here. This one's a little bigger. Smaller ones are for the kids. Cool. We're gonna cook these up. We'll be back. All right, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna go for the first flip. And little tip, cook them slower like this. You're gonna end up with just a juicier, tender burger. Not bad. Bad at all. That yellow piece of junk is a veggie burger. I think I'm gonna hit these with a little more salt. Love salt. One time I'll show you my collection. It's pretty large. All right, and I loaded these patties up heavily with the Kingsford original no salt when I made the ground beef patties. So, and then I pressed them in a hamburger press, and that's how they came out. So I'm gonna close this lid up, finish these guys off, probe them for temp. As soon as I hit 160, we'll take them off. All right, it's been like 3 minutes. I'm gonna check these out for temp. Got my nice chef's temp there with the very vibrant backlight. Love it. Anyways, 150. Fastest thermometer in the world, they say. 164. Sweet. 160 is what you want from ground beef. Ooh, that one's done. I'm going to take that out of there. That's good. All right, this bigger one probably has a little longer to go. So I'm going to move the done ones over to the right where it's a little cooler, and then I'm going to throw the buns on here to get them toasted up. These are going to be real nice. All right, I'm going to move you right there. Another thing I want to mention out, your grates. Make sure you have the flat side top. I know it looks better the other way. This way it looks like they're upside down, but this is how they're supposed to be. It's triangular shaped going down there, making the drips come to a point and drip off and not collect on the grate. You'll notice if you do them grates the other way, you have the triangle side up and you do a heavy smoke like a pork shoulder or something, it's going to leave massive triangular shaped indentations in your meat. But they even say keep it this way. So just want to point that out. And this is a smaller grill, so if you can use lump charcoal instead of briquette, you'll have to change your ashtray a lot less frequently. So there we go. All right, get these buns on. Got these. Multi-grain or whatever. See how many I can fit on there. Scoot you over. Darn veggie burger. Let's see. Clean you off a little bit before I flip you. There. Okay. Get that there, get that there. All right, cool. I'm going to finish these off and we'll be back. I'll show you a picture or whatever, a shot of the final product. All right. This thing cooks magnificently. Love the Rambler. You guys like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see next on the Rambler. If you have any questions, how to do something on it, whatever, put it in the comments. I'll respond. Look at that. Look at that. Very good. All right, be back.